If you're anything like me, you are excited for Birdhouse Bash 2018. We're all going nuts here for this. Birds are coming in from everywhere. Pennsylvania, Florida, Wilmington, Delaware, North Dakota, where I am, so that's fine. Birds are just flying in wild time. They're coming in, they're getting their bird seed. They're getting their sticks for their nests. They're getting peanut butter for their houses. They're getting seeds, and man, they cannot control. They are going to regurgitate all into their baby's mouths uncontrollably. All those sick worms just flying into the baby's mouth. And this holiday weekend, if they're the first 10 in line, they get books. That's something. Back to you, Andy.